Hey guys, welcome to Area Word Problems. Hey, congratulations on making it this far. You're almost finished. I'm going to walk you through an example of every style problem you're going to see on this level. So listen up and you'll pass the level. Okay, the first one says Daniel stained the carpet in his bedroom and has to replace it. The room is a rectangle shape. It has a length of 5 feet and a width of 8 feet. How many square feet of carpet does Daniel need to buy? So we have a width of 8, length of 5. 5 times 8 would equal 40. So Daniel would need to buy 40 square feet of carpet. Okay, Perry needs to build a floor for his new robot's room. The room is a square, and each wall is 6 feet long. How many square feet of flooring does Perry need to buy? So it only gives you one number, but don't be confused, right? So if a square, every side is the same length. So you know this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 6. And to figure out the area, you need to multiply a height times a width. So 6 times 6 would equal 36 square feet of flooring for Perry to buy. Okay, a lot of these problems will show you some shapes, and it asks you different questions at the bottom. It says, look at the pictures above. Which shape on the right has the same area as shape A? So I look up here. Here I have shape A. So I'm trying to find which shape over here has the same shape as A. So first I'm going to figure out A. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squares here. And now I need to find another shape over here that also has 7 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's not it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So C has 7. Let's just make sure these others don't. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. So the answer would be C. Okay, shape A shows a drawing of Aaron's backyard. Which shape on the right has the same area as Aaron's backyard? So shape A is Aaron's backyard. So I need to come over here and find the area of this first. So 4 times 5 would equal 20 squares. Okay, so now I need to find one over here that also has 20. So 2 times 10, that would equal 20. So there's one already. I need to make sure no other shapes have the same area. 7, I know there's another 7 here. 7 times 7 would equal 49. 8 times 5 would be 40. And 2 times 2 would equal 4. So 20 here, 20 here. It would be shape B. Bam. All right, next one. Look at the shapes A, B, and C and D above. Which shapes have an area less than 25 squares? So first step again, just figure out the area of all these shapes. 4 times 6 would equal 24. So there's one that has less than 25 squares. 2 times 5 would equal 10. There's another one that has less. 7 times 7 would equal 49. So that's more, that's greater than. And 4 times 9 would equal 36. So there's two of them that have less than 25 squares. It would be A and B. Bam! Okay, look at the shapes A, B, and C and D above. Which shapes have an area greater than 25 squares? So the previous question you were asked to find less than 25 squares. Now you're asked to find greater than 25 squares. So just go through them one by one, figure them out. 4 times 6 is 24. That's not greater. 2 times 5 is 10. That's not greater. 7 times 7 is 49. There's one. So C, and 4 times 9 is 36. 36 is also greater than 25, so the answers would be C and D. Okay, look at the shapes A, B, C, and D above. Which shape has the largest area? Okay, 4 times 6 is 24. 2 times 5 is 10. 4 times 9 is 36. And 7 times 7 is 49. So it would be shape C is the largest. Okay, this is real similar. Look at the shapes A, B, C, D. Which shape has the smallest area? Okay, so he was 24, 49. 4 times 9 is 36. And 10, so it would be B is the smallest with an area of 10 squares. And letter B. Okay, now you're asked to find specifically which shape has an area of 10 squares. Okay, I've done these a million times and we've all figured out this one has a shape of 10. So this answer would be B. Bam! And that's it. If you get stuck, come watch the video again and good luck. Bam!